Did you know that the process of zinc sulfate titration is one of the most reliable methods for determining the concentration of zinc in a solution? This process employs EDTA as a titrant, zinc sulfate as the sample, and areochrome black tea as the indicator. Now that we have set the stage, it's time to dive into the process. While zinc sulfate titration holds its own, there are other types of titration techniques out there. Let's take a quick look at a few. Acid-base titration, for instance, is a common technique used to determine the concentration of an unknown acid or base. Redox titration, on the other hand, is used to determine the concentration of an unknown oxidizing or reducing agent. Then we have complexometric titration, which is used to detect the presence of metal ions in a solution. But zinc sulfate titration, it's a game changer. It uses EDTA as a titrant, a powerful chelating agent that binds with zinc ions with unmatched specificity and accuracy. As you can see, each titration technique has its unique features, but zinc sulfate titration stands out for its precision. With the basics covered, it's time to delve into the zinc sulfate titration process. We start with our sample, zinc sulfate, in a flask, then add the indicator, areochrome black tea, or EBT for short. This gives our solution a wine red hue. Next, we carefully add EDTA from a burette. As the EDTA reacts with the zinc sulfate, the solution gradually changes color. Once it turns a distinct blue, we know the titration is complete. And there you have it, the fascinating process of zinc sulfate titration. This journey into the world of zinc sulfate titration has revealed some intriguing facts. We've seen how vital this process is in determining the concentration of an unknown solution. Compared to other techniques, zinc sulfate titration, using EDTA as the titrant and EBT as the indicator, is a precise and reliable method. The steps involved, from preparing the sample to observing the color change after titration, are straightforward yet fascinating. Remember, the beauty of chemistry lies in its precision, and zinc sulfate titration is a shining example of this.